The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch for Greenville County, Gray County, Tornado County, and Farmland County. At 11 a.m. a radar indicated storms forming. Stay inside and be careful. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Greenville County, Gray County, Tornado County, and Farmland County. At 12 p.m. the national radar indicated a severe thunderstorm raging over the counties. Please stay inside and don't leave your house.
An apple? For me? Thanks.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch for Greenville County, Gray County, Tornado County, and Farmland County. At 1:30 p.m. the national weather indicated two storms mighting and changing colors. A tornado watch means that the storm has its preparation ready to induce a tornado. Stay inside and seek shelter because it might form without any prediction. Tornadoes are on the ground. The National Weather Service has issued 2 tornado emergencies for Greenville County, Gray County, Tornado County, and Farmland County. At 3 p.m. the national radar indicated 4 random gamma modes that have merged. A tornado warning is still in effect for Gerald County, Trailer Park County, Rivera County, and Moore County. Seek shelter now.